guys, it's Nysha with Berkshire Hathaway. Hey, listen, I just want to share this cute little home with you. It's 8424 Springcroft in Northwest Albuquerque. It's an adorable little home, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, perfect for just a couple people or just one. And I just want to walk you through real fast. There we go. All right, here we are, you guys. Welcome home. There's the living room, and it's got an open concept floor plan. So we have the kitchen is right over here, little dining space next to it. All right, there we go. Living room, dining space, kitchen. There you go. And I'm going to start you out with the owner's suite. So we go down this little hall here. We have a 1-car garage on this home. There's access right here. There you go, ta-da. It's a garage. And into the master suite. There we go, the owner's suite here. Sorry, we're not supposed to say master anymore. So, fun real estate rules. There's the bathroom. And take you back out here. There we go. And then a nice little walk-in closet over here. So that is bedroom number 1, and I promised you 2 bedrooms. So we're gonna walk back down this hallway. We got a pantry over here. Ta-da, pantry. And that's right off of the dining space and the kitchen and the living room. Okay. And so bedroom number 2 is right here. Ta-da. Second bathroom. And then a little office area. Or if you're a plant lover, I suppose you could put all your little plants out here. And by far my favorite space, they had a little outdoor table set out here. It was really great. Anyway, you've got this nice little covered patio. Some xeriscaping back here. Everything is nice and tidy. A little storage shed. Over here, we got us a cherry tree. Love it. Love it. That should have cherries here in a couple months, I imagine. And a little area for the dog if you have a dog. Or the kids. I don't know. I'm kind of a fan of that too. But there you go. So just a real quick recap here. Coming back through. Office. Bedroom. Bathroom. Dining. Kitchen, living room, garage to the left, the owner's suite, owner's bathroom, and a walk-in closet. Anyway, if anybody has any questions or they want to see this home, please feel free to reach out. I am usually available at 505-710-2750. If you have any questions at all about this home or how much your house might be worth or anything like that, please let me know. And I look forward to speaking with you. Have a great day. Bye.